This is song premiere on Tuesday. However, coming to you on Thursday, March 20th. This marks 5 years of doing Spot. Unbelievable. So what better way to do that than to celebrate family with this little song? Thank you for being here.
Oh, it broke, Oatly. You are stupid.
Oatly is a dog who likes to tug in the woods or on the rug. You better watch out if you get her riled. Oatly is my favorite grandchild. Her parents treat her kind, and Oatly makes up her own mind. 'Cause Oatly is a dog who's fierce and wild. Oatly is my favorite grandchild. Oatly is a dog who likes to play. She came from California, far away. Yes, she's a dog traveling many miles. Oatly is my favorite child. Oatly is my favorite child. Thanks very much for being here.